Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about the newest launch from K-Beauty, and yes, I'm talking about the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. They have recently launched in Nykaa and they have all total 20 different shades and they perfectly match the Indian skin tones. This particular foundation is categorized into 4 different Indian skin tones, that is light, medium, tan and deep. They have further subdivided their foundation into 3 different undertones, that is pink, yellow and neutral. I am from medium to tan skin tone family and my undertones are in between yellow and neutral. So I think 165 in tan perfectly matches my skin tone. So now I'm going to talk about the packaging. Well, the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation comes in a classy and chic and very elegant cardboard packaging like this. This looks very simple. All the ingredient list, the manufacturing date, the shelf life and the price, the net quantity has already been mentioned on the outer packaging, as well as the shade number and the shade name is also given on the top of the packaging. So let me just open the cardboard box and show you from inside. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. You can already see it is been protected with a sponge section, and I am very interested to see this, that they have really protected their foundation with this sponge section. This is really thoughtful, and as the product is made out of glass bottles, so they have done a great job with their inner packaging too. So this is how the foundation bottle looks like. It comes in a very sleek, chic and elegant glass bottle, and all the K is just embossed around the bottle, which is very elegant and gives a very luxurious feel to it. Plus the K-Beauty foundation packaging is quite similar to the Fenty Beauty foundation, but yet this one gives a luxurious feel, which is a great thing. The glass bottle is closed with a white plastic cap and the quality of the plastic cap is really good, guys, and it also closes with a click sound, so it is well secured and well protected. Plus it also comes in a pump like packaging, which is really comfy to have that enough control on the amount of product you need, and it is also hygiene maintained, so I think this is a great thing. So we can also find some details going on under the bottle. They have given their manufacturing date, their batch number, their price, the net quantity and the shade number and the shade name here. So I think they have done a perfect job to mention their product details under the bottle as well as on their packaging. Well, the packaging already have that ingredient list and the other manufacturing plus price, the shelf life details. So overall, I think the outer packaging as well as the inner packaging of this particular foundation has done a great job. They have kept their foundation very sleek, and they have also kept their cardboard packaging very simple and very elegant, very minimalist. So I think overall they have done a great job with their packaging. Now let me quickly give you the ingredient list of K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. Well, they have avocado butter in it, which provides intense hydration to the skin while also reducing the appearance of age, spots and wrinkles. Plus they have mango butter in it. Mango butter provides deep moisturization, making the skin supple and smooth while also brightening the skin and minimizing the appearance of fine lines. And last but not the least, they have hyaluronic acid in it. So hyaluronic acid retains moisture and provides a plumping effect to the skin. So I think the ingredient list is very rich in moisturizing your skin. Like avocado, mango butter as well as the hyaluronic acid will provide you a lot of intense moisturizing effect to your skin. So I think this particular foundation will really work great for dry skin people. Also the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation is cruelty free, paraben free, vegan, and it is free from all mineral oil. Time to show you the demo swatches of this K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I'm going to see how this foundation actually looks like with or without primer. So half of my face I'm going to apply a primer, and on the other half I'm not going to apply a primer. So let's begin. So for primer, I'll be taking the Master Prime Face Studio from Maybelline. So basically on this side of my face I'm going to apply the foundation with primer. So I have taken one pump of foundation and I'll be blending this side foundation with the help of brush. Basically it is a very lightweight foundation. My red mark is still now visible, so it's not at all a high coverage foundation. It's a very natural and lightweight, light coverage foundation. This is how the half of my face looks like, and I think I'm going to apply one more coat of foundation. So guys, this is how the second coat of foundation looks like. I think this second coat of foundation is much more better than the first coat. So whenever I'll apply this foundation, I'll always use second coat of foundation, and it is quite blendable and it feels very lightweight too. Now on the other half of my face, I'm going to apply this foundation directly without primer. So this one is with primer and this one is without primer. So let's see. So overall I find this foundation to be very lightweight and easily blendable, but if you use a brush it will be better, because I have already used a beauty blender and without primer it is looking so much, cakey, not that even. But on this side of my face I have used a primer as well as I have used a brush to blend this foundation, so it is looking way more better. So try to use a brush while applying this foundation. The K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation claims that it is a natural hydrated dewy finish. Yes, I think they gives a dewy finished look after applying this, because they have avocado butter in it, mango butter in it, and the hyaluronic acid. I think this three combo will just make your skin so intense moisturizing. I think they have done a great job with their moisturizing part. Next, it claims that it is a super lightweight foundation and second skin feel. Definitely yes. Like, it is a super lightweight foundation and you'll not feel that you have put on some foundation on your face. It is so lightweight, it just gives you the second skin type of feel. Thirdly, the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation claims that it is ultra creamy, luxurious texture. Definitely yes. The formulation, the texture and the consistency of this particular foundation is quite creamy and gives a luxurious feel. Fourthly, this foundation claims that it locks in moisture. Definitely yes, because they have three key ingredients into it, that is avocado butter, mango butter and the hyaluronic acid, which will definitely lock your moisture and will make your skin look much more dewy and much more pulpy. Now the fifth claimation, that is all day comfortable wear. I think this foundation is very lightweight foundation. Even after applying this foundation you will not feel that weightage on your face, so definitely you can wear it for your whole day planning and you can comfortably go with it, because it's not going to make your skin patchy, cracky, because it is a super fine and super lightweight foundation. Sixth point that they have claimed is it is a natural to high buildable coverage. I don't think so it's a high buildable coverage, because it is a lightweight foundation, and what I felt is that it just gives you a very light to natural to medium buildable coverage. So it is not a high coverage foundation. If you are looking for a high coverage foundation, don't go with it, because it is not going to satisfy your desire. K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation also claims that it blurs imperfections. Like, when I first applied the first coat of foundation, it did not hide my dark spots and my pigmentations, but when I applied the second coat of foundation, it literally blurred up my imperfections. So I think the 7th number claimation has also done its justice. K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation also claims that it is perfect for all skin type, but I have a little bit doubt on it, because I think it will work great on dry skin like me. Like, I have a dry skin, it worked great for my skin, but I'm really not that much sure that how it's going to work for an oily skin people, because they already have a oily skin. So this is a hydrating foundation, this is a dewy finish foundation, so I don't know how it's going to work for an oily skin people, but I would definitely tell you guys to do a patch test before applying this foundation on your skin. So these are the 8 points that K Beauty Hydrating Foundation has claimed. So according to me, only the last 8 number point, that is, it is perfect for all skin type, I have a little bit doubt on it. Other than that, the 7 points are really good and they have done a perfect justice with their claimation. So now I'm going to talk about the price and the quality of the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. So this particular foundation is priced at rupees 1200, which is quite expensive. It can make a hole in your pocket and it contains 30 gram of product. The shelf life is for 3 long years, which is a great thing. And if you start using this foundation, you will fall in love with this foundation because the quality is top notch. Like, if you have spent 1200 for a particular foundation and if the quality is just top notch, then why not? I would surely recommend you guys to purchase this and try it out. I just give 10 upon 10 to K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I hope this video turns out to be very informative and very helpful for you guys because I have given in-depth review of K Beauty Hydrating Foundation, the swatches, the demo. So if you really enjoy this video of mine, then what you have to do, you have to subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. And do give me some likes because it motivates me to create some amazing video for you guys. Do share my videos and comment in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.